Hello, my name is Nate. Welcome to my art channel. I am continuing my quest to get a reverse flower dip with some pearls in it like Fiona gets. So I have changed up my recipe a little bit on my pearl white. So this is a mix of Chormacryl Acrylic Essentials White, DecoArt Satin Enamels, and Vallejo Pearl Medium. I'm kind of throwing the whole bus at it. And I think you can see that it's thinned down to a consistency where it leaves just the slightest mound before it disappears. This is thinner than my last attempt, so maybe the consistency will help those pearls come up. I also have Amsterdam Ultramarine Blue, Amsterdam Permanent Blue Violet, and Amsterdam Ultramarine Violet Light. And so I'm going to layer those with the white, and I've got Chormacryl Acrylic Essentials in black as my base coat. Same consistency amongst all of my paints. My pouring medium is 2 parts US Floetrol to 1 part PVA glue. And I'm going to put down my base coat. I'll use a string to find my center. I will place this in the center and then pour the colors one at a time. It should create a flower shape. I'll use my skewer to wreck out some of the lines, and then I will be dipping using a bandana that I will be spritzing with water. This is a 16 by 16 inch canvas, so it's larger than any of the napkins that, or paper towels that I can find, and but this works perfectly, so I will use that instead. And I'm going to put on some music for you while I play. Wish me luck. It's all blown to pieces, the life we used to know. But here's a new start for everyone to take part. So come together, it's time to make it right. Every father and mother, every sister and brother, and we won't go until you get it. We don't want your money, we don't want your fame. You might think we're Okay, we're getting closer. I got some beautiful pearls and they stretched out amazing. Look at all these up here. Beautiful. Okay, okay. I didn't get any on the outside edges, and I'm wondering why that is. I think I still need to tweak my recipe a little bit. Maybe more of the Vallejo Pearl Medium, but I think I have the right consistency, so that is good. So, okay, onwards and upwards. Yeah, look at that. I think this is my favorite color combo so far too. I love those, purple always takes over, but I love those ultramarine blue hints coming up through that. That's beautiful. Okay. Let's try this again, and thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and this experiment. I'll put my recipe in the description box. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already, and leave me a comment. Let me know what you think, and go mix up some paints and be fearless.